pretend to cook your things. If you have pretend stuff like kitchen, you can cook it. So, I will teach you this. We can cook anything like recipes as you want. So, let's start. And this is Saanvi. And welcome to Saanvi's kitchen. Now we have to arrange these things. And you can keep some stuff in the fridge or you can keep it down in a big bowl. Now let's start cooking. First we need is some water. Now we can take the water, and if you have anything to put water in this, you can put. But you have to not eat pretend things, or else you will fall ill and the doctor will give us operation. I'm sorry, I cannot tell it quite nice. Operation. And we have to put little bit water. If you are pulled more water, you can put it back like this. But we only need little water. You can put only one cup of water also. Now we will get the eggs. Let's go to the fridge and get the eggs. Now let's put only one egg in one time to boil it. Now let it boil. After it boils, we can take the egg out with this. If you don't have it, you can take with a spoon. It will get easier. Sometimes it will slip. Then we need another bowl. So we will wait for another bowl to get. But I already keep this bowl over here. Now we will take this egg and put it in this. And let's take this egg and we have to throw the water away of the dirt. Let's throw the water away in the sink. And we have to put just a little, which we put. Then let's put it up. And we will wait for 3 seconds or 3 minutes. Now it is done. Let's take this egg. Now let's throw the water in the sink again. And the next thing is to take any vegetables but not fruits. We can take only bananas and apples. But if we don't have apples and bananas, we can take brinjal, watermelon, or onion. 1 onion or 2 onion. But brinjal has to be 1 and watermelon 2. Now let's put this thing over here and go to the fridge and take it. Here's a watermelon. I'm keeping it over here. Here's a onion. I'm keeping it over here. And here is a half cup of brinjal. And only the last thing we have to add, water and milk. If you want to make it a little bit sweet, so we can add this taste of strawberry and blueberry. vegetables. Let's take this, put this away, put this here, and let's take a sharp knife. See, this is a knife. I have 3 kinds of knife. One is fat and sharp, one is thin and sharp, and other is normal, like a toy. But it is not sharp, it is smooth. But you cannot cut like a really sachi mein. And let's take our first vegetable, brinjal. But remember to not waste vegetables. If you have like this, cut it triangles, 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 triangles. And over here also like triangles. See, after you done, let's remove this. Picking this, we removed. Now let's cut our brinjal. Oops, I got a boo-boo. But it's okay, sometimes happen. Now let's put this brinjal in with the egg. And when we are putting this brinjal, we have to first take this boiled egg, and when the egg yolk is removed, we have to put it in the other bowl, not in the wet bowl. If you want to make it sweet, you can add milk and this cherry and blueberry ones taste. Let's cut this egg. But don't add this half things. We will throw it in the dustbin. Let's put this over here. We have to put the egg yolk in this. If it has holes, you can put like this. Now let's wash our hands. Some egg yolks are stick to our hands. Now let's dry our hands. Let's use this napkin. Then we have to wipe our hands. Okay, like this. Very nicely. If it is done, let it dry. Now we put this egg yolk. Now let's stir it. Before we stir it, we have to get the cooking spoon. Let's go over there. See, over here is the cooking spoon. If you have two, you can choose in it. Like this, I will choose both. So I can cook with both. One is bended, means we can take and the water will not come out. So we also have to add water in this type, but little bit. If we want to put little bit, so we can also put little or more. Now let's use this to stir it. Let's remove this and put it for wash. And this knife too. We have till then it will be ready. First we have to check it has holes. It has no holes, so we can put water and cook in it. If it has holes, we have to put it in the safety bowl. Means the water will not come out. See, now we have to let it to 5 minutes. Still then, we will cook our brinjal egg yolk recipe. We have to add it after 5 minutes is done. We have to add some water in it. But just like 2.5 we have to add. Now it is done. Let's close this, or else sometime the water careful like this. Sometimes happens. Now it is done. Let's put it in another bowl. Or in that bowl. But the water will not fit very great. So we will put this into the brinjals bowl. Like this. Don't let the spoon also go, or else it will be also cooked. It is kind funny, but let's put it to the washing, to the sink, to make it wash. Then we will wait for it 2 minutes. Till then, we can make the onion one. Let's turn it to slow. Now we need this. Let's wash it. Wash your hands to keep them nice and clean. This is my favorite song of rhyme. I will sing it. Now let's stop it. Then we will wash it. We will start cutting it first. Take this knife. Also wash it very properly. We wash it. Now we can cut the onion. But if you have magnet ones, don't worry. It will cut only half. See, we have to cut it. See, the onion is removed. Now let's cut more pieces. Then these slices are over here. Let's put it into the next bowl. For that, I will add some water in this. Little water. Now let's close the lid like this. But I have a special lid in this. And we will take this egg yolk and crack it with the knife. First let's wash it because I put it down. Now let's cut it. We can put the knife also. After putting the knife, we have to wash it. See. Now let it dry. We can put it over here. Now put this waste over here and let it cook in the same minutes. We can mix it also. Let's put these vegetables in this bowl. Oh, it is summer, so we have to also drink some water in half minute. Now we have done. Now let's put it over here. Now let's cook this. Let us put it 5 minutes. And I want to make it more tasty. So we have only little water. So we will use it for little bit. So let's take this cup. And it is done. So let's put it over here. We can put this spoon to wash. And for the final touch, we have to put in this. Squeeze the watermelon, but don't squeeze it by your hands. Some watermelon will fall down. Let's go to over here. We have this. And we need something to crush it. Come on, let's do it. First we need this katora. We will cut some watermelon first. Then we will add the watermelon juice. It is too small. This is, see. So that wise we will cut it. If you have big one, you can do it. The big one. Let's put this piece in this and squeeze with the balloon. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Now we put it in this. So we don't need this. So let's put it over here. So we can put it in the plate. My mother's favorite color is blue also. Now we will add the juice water in this. It is done. Now we have to mix it. I can also do with one hand. Stir it. Now it is done. Let's put this also to the wash. Now we have to add everything to it. This one, but we have it little. This one with this water. Now enough. Let's wash this first. We can wash with also water, but we have to do it quickly when we are making videos. Let's mix it. It is done. Now we will add the last one time. Let's put in this. Take the balloon, squeeze. After it, we have to be very careful. Pour the water if it has a hole, or else you can take a safety bowl and put it in that. See, it's done now. Let's stop it and put this half water back to it. Now let's send to this to wash. Now we will put this, and one last thing, we need this, and we need a scissor, but we don't have a scissor, but I keep on the fridge over there. Now let's cut it, but be careful with the scissors. Cut. Now let's take this thing and throw it in the dustbin. Now let's take this milk and pour it. If we don't want to waste more milk, we can put tape over here. Now let's put this back to the fridge. Now after you done this, we can arrange also. When this is hot, we can take this napkin, open it, put this over here. If you don't have space, you can put it somewhere else. Now we have space, so we can put it. Now it is done. We just have to put fork, spoon, or any kind of knife. This knife is little bit sharp, but it is helpful for us. It will not cut our fingers, but now let's arrange it in the napkin. Take this half and deliver it. If you are playing guest or anything, you can give to your parents as a gift, and you can give them simply also. So hope you enjoyed this recipe, but it is 30 hours or 30 minutes long. So bye now.